Hi there, this is Edgar, and this is Host Wi-Fi Web Solutions Code Literacy Project. And among the projects under our program is the Learn and Earn Challenge. All right, and this time I'm going to show you how we can create a banner for a website and later on code the entire page so that we will be able to come up with a simple and a very basic HTML page. Okay, and this tutorial is especially designed for Shinya, who is working for quantumshinya.com. Okay, this is his website, quantumshinya.com. Okay, so let's check it out. It's loading. All right, so this is Shinya, and he's from Japan, and is learning a website, or I mean he's learning how to code a website in pure HTML to be able to come up with a product website. All right, so here you go. We are going to later on we are going to create this page using HTML. But before that, before you can actually code your website, it's better that you are going to prepare the images that you are going to use for your website, more convenient, so you can go ahead and just code and come up with a complete page, right? And by the way, this is our Facebook page. If you are interested, just go to facebook.com/hostwifi. We have some announcement in here, some links that you can check, so you will know what we are doing at Host Wi-Fi Web Solutions. Basically, we are a web hosting company, and we are offering our web hosts easy to customize, and also teaching interested ones to learn web design. And this is a chat box with our learner Shinya. I think Shinya is already asleep now, but I'm creating actually a tutorial for him. Okay, so this is their shop in Japan. They're planning to come up with a website that will showcase the products of their store. Okay, so to do that, we're going to use Fireworks. Okay, Adobe Fireworks, and this is the banner that I'm going to create. This is actually the facade of their shop, and we'll try to imitate this one and come up with a banner which they can put on top of their website. Okay, so to do this, we're going to create, let's make this a little bit bigger in the actual website. So I'm going to create a new Fireworks document in the size with a width of 1200 pixels and height of 300 pixels, resolution of 72. If you want bigger, you can adjust actually the resolution in here. Okay, so we'll make the background transparent for now. Okay, transparent, and click OK. There you go. So this is the banner that we are actually creating, copying this welcome billboard on their store. Okay, so to do this, we go to that document which we created and put a text in here. We're going to imitate this text, and we're going to actually use the text Shujumaru. Okay, so there you go. That's sari. Okay, sari means a variety of products, right? This is a Filipino word where they adopted in their store in Japan. Okay, that's sari sari, and they have there the word Asian sari sari. Okay, so for the word Asian, we're going to use the text guide course. All right, so we just write Asian here. Okay, there you go. Asian, a little bit small. We can make that actually bigger. All right, if you're not contented, maybe we can make this 100. There you go. Asian sari sari. Okay, and let's position that one so that it will be on the center of the page. I think we need to come up with a little bigger, 120 perhaps. There you go. All right, there you go. So let's change the color. That's a little yellow. That's yellowish. Okay, cream, a little bit yellow, right? And sari sari is orange. That's okay. And let's check on the background. The background is actually blue there, and they get some design in there for the sari sari. Okay, so we can actually make the page blue, canvas color there, and let's try this blue. There you go. All right, is that close? Yes, a little bit. Okay, let's make that a little bit lighter. Is it lighter? You can just adjust anytime. There. All right, so is it close? Now a little darker. A little dark blue there. Okay, maybe this one's okay. Right. You can change actually the color anytime you want. And in here they got a shape which actually goes that way and that way. Alright, and a yellow thing in there. Okay, so let's try to imitate the design for the Asian. Somewhere here it goes down here. Okay, so let's make it a little bit farther. And now in this case we're going to use the pen tool, okay, and come up with the shape which goes a little bit like, okay, all right. There you go, maybe a little bit circular. Okay, there, and then let's move it there, and okay, and let's make a little circular. Alright, now to make it bend, you just click, press, and drag your mouse. Do not release your right button until the desired shape, so you can actually go here. Alright, and then move here to close. There you go. Now the color that we have here is orange. Let's change that one to light. That's light. Okay, let's check it out. Alright, it's light. Okay, oops, what happened? Let's just click undo there. Okay, as you can see, the shape now has covered the sari sari. That will be very easy later on. You just click on that one and then cut and paste. Okay, just cut and paste, cut, paste actually, or you can just adjust in here. Okay, let's sorry somewhere there. Let's check on the shape. Okay, that's a little bit close, so we can actually move this one. Okay. Oops, what happened? Maybe we need to at least drag in here. Modify, transform, and free transform there. You're gonna put it close. Okay, free transform. There you go, so that you can copy actually how this one looks. Okay, and maybe we modify, transform, and a little distort somewhere so that it will move that way. Okay, is it okay? Are we doing it fine? There you go. Goes there, and a little bit more slanting. Alright, so modify, transform, distort. Alright, so we're learning how to use Fireworks. Okay, so maybe this one is okay. In this case, sari is a little long, so we can extend actually this sari, and we can go here, horizontal scale, and just increase that one. Alright, it's very nice. Okay, so we have their Asian sari. There you go. Okay, you position that there, and we have a yellow thing that goes in here. Okay, there's a yellow there and a white background there. So let's try to do that again using this tool, starting from there. Okay, press and drag a little bit, and then press and drag a little bit, press and drag. Okay, click in there. Okay, click, and let's go up, press and drag a little bit. Don't worry about the shape, you can adjust later on as long as you can get the correct form. Okay, so that's the shape that we have created, and we want to actually change that one to yellow. There you go, that's yellow. Alright, okay, so oops, so that we will not be having that problem, just click on here. Okay, there's actually a dot there already. Can just undo. Alright, and then go back there and click on here. Okay, so by clicking in here, you can just click in there, and when the controls come out, you can actually reshape it. There you go. So click in there, you can actually reshape there, reshape and drag in there. Okay, click in here, drag to close the gap. There you go. You want to bend somewhere there a little bit. Okay, there, and I think we're okay. There you go. So yeah, we want to make this one a little bit smaller, and a little bit sharper. Okay, so we click in here on this part and just just drag it close. There you go. And just click in that and make a little bit round. There. Okay, I think we're okay. And also, let's just copy this one, paste it, okay, drag it there, and modify, transform, and let's flip horizontal. Okay, and that's not working properly. We're gonna modify. Let's undo that one, and let's modify, transform, flip vertical. Okay, and then modify, transform, flip horizontal. That's it. So we are there. Okay, and I can move this one a little bit, and here we go. Alright, so maybe we can adjust this one, or this one. We just adjust this one a little bit here. Okay, click on here, and we can actually increase this one so that they will meet on the corner. Alright, but they're not meeting there, so you're gonna close it and drag it a little bit. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether this one protrudes here, because this one is covered actually. Alright, you can actually extend that one there, because when you click on it, it's actually covered. Okay, so let's position again. Position this one there. There you go. And the sari should come up, so we click on this one. It should be above the yellow thing, so you can just drag in there. Alright, so you can actually so that you can actually make the sari on top of the image. You just click on that and then cut it, Control X, and then paste it again, Control V. There you go, sari. Alright, so let's move this one a little bit, move that one a little bit. Okay, you can move this one also. This one is a little short, so you can actually drag it a little bit upward. There you go, drag it a little bit upward so that it will be covered. Alright, so the Asian thing is there. Okay, Asian sari. Alright, I think we are on the right track, and let's go back there. There's a white glow there on the sari words. You just click on that one. Filters, we add filters there, shadow and glow, and we can use glow actually. Alright, so by using that glow thing or filters there, you can see here there's already a glow, but we want it white, so we want that white there to make the color stand out, but we don't want it to be pale, so we want 100% there. And this one we want 0. Okay, you want a little bit softer, so you can just add 1 or 2 perhaps. There you go, maybe 1 only. Alright, and is 5 okay? You think let's maybe 3. Okay, so I think this is okay. Sari, Asian sari. We can put this one a little bit higher so that we can write later on things down here. Okay, Asian sari. Go back there. We see there's a little shadow down there. Right here there's still a shadow. Okay, after the glow there's a black shadow there. Okay, let's try to do that. After the glow thing, we add another filter and shadow drop down. There you go. So there's a black drop down shadow there. Okay, so this one a little bit darker, so we can make it darker for the drop shadow. to emphasize, and to do that, let's just bring this up, okay, to 100. Alright, there you go. I think it's okay. We have emphasized it. And let's go to this shape. Okay, this shape there, they've got a white lining over on top of it. Okay, so we can, maybe the effect that we can do here is, let's try filters and shadow, drop down shadow. So you see the drop down shadow, it goes down and it's black. Let's try this one, white. Okay, so we're creating a glow there, but let's try to make it 100%, and this one a little sharper. Okay, and this one maybe a little bigger. There you go. Okay, that's so much. And we control the angle. Okay, we want it on this side. The shadow that we have made is on the right hand side, so you just turn this one up to find. Okay, so there you go. That's the shadow. Okay, I think we're okay with that. And we apply the same thing here. Click on the image there. Okay, and we add filters, shadow, drop down shadow, change it to white, and make it 100%. This one's 7, so let's make it 10. Is it 10? A while ago I think we have 10. Let's go back here and find out for the drop down shadow. Yeah, 10, 4, and 100%. Okay, so let's go back here. It should be 10, 4, and 100%. Alright, so I think we're okay with that. Okay, so we have sari there and Asian. Now in the Asian, we just add a drop down shadow, but it's black. Okay, so I think we're okay. Let's check on that one. Black. Alright, so basically we're okay. We're now okay. Asian sari. There you go. Now in here, maybe we can write later on phone number in here, or maybe there's a merchandise and store somewhere. Merchandising and store. So we can actually write that one below the sari. Okay, so we add merchandising. So let's choose a font later on. Merchandising and store. Okay, and we're gonna click on that one. It's a little big, so we can make it smaller. Okay, I think and that's white in there. Let's try to use white and apply a drop down shadow. Okay, to emphasize it, it's green. We can alright, it's big, so let's just make it a little bit smaller. That's 5 perhaps. 100% there to make it darker. Merchandising and store. Okay, so you can actually change the font because this one is a little bit stylish. Okay, and the end there is not actually the same here, so we can look at maybe we can use this one, merchandising and store. Alright, so I think this is okay. Merchandising and store. Okay, so this is okay. Alright, so you can move this one on the page. Merchandising, Asian sari, merchandising and store. Alright, so that's the manner that we have created using Fireworks. It's easy and it's not so complicated, right? And if we're going to save this one, file, save as, Okay, this is a PNG file. Make sure you save your graphics in PNG. So let's use banner there. Okay, banner. Let's have banner there, or fireworks.png. Let's save it. Make sure you are saving it as PNG, so that when you are going to edit this banner, it will be very easy to edit. And after saving it as a PNG file, you can go ahead and save it again. Save as. This time you can now save it as JPEG. Okay, so the banner.jpg, and you click on the options there to come up with how big your file will be. You can actually control this one. Click on that one for what quality are you going to use. JPEG, better quality. Web, let's try web. Okay, and that's become not so clear. Let's just use better quality there. All right, and okay, so the file will be 70.74 kilobytes. That will be okay, not so heavy for the page. And click on OK and save your banner. Now we have saved this one as a PNG so that we can easily edit it, and we save it also as a JPEG. Now let's go to that folder in our link pages folder, and these are the files that we have created actually. Now if you want to check on that one, how does it look like, you can open it with maybe Microsoft Office picture viewer. Okay, so that's it. This is the file that we have created in JPEG. Okay, so I think that's it. We've created basically a banner for Shinya's website. Now we'll try to put it on the index page, and let's in the next tutorial I'm going to teach you how to actually put that banner in this website. So we're starting on to create the page itself. Alright, so that's it for now, and this is how we create a banner using Adobe Fireworks. Edgar Malongdo for Host Wi-Fi Web Solutions Code Literacy Project, and this is the tutorial for creating a banner image for your website. Thanks for watching.